Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about how we have to create a input field components and we have to reuse. Previous video, we have seen how we have to create a form component using Formik to reuse. So let's start the demonstration. This one is the example for form container which we created previously. So first of all, I'm going to create a form control form control dot jsx. So this one is used to determine which field we are going to use. Before that, create a function and remove this return, and here switch control curly braces cases and text and provide return. So for this return we need another component. I'm creating input component for the input.jsx. Create RFCE and use Formik here. Import field from Formik. And here I'm going to use field and a label. So remove this one and this one. Here first of all I'm going to provide label and here I'm going to provide label and provide HTML for and name. Next I'm going to use the field. So field name and ID also name. Next for error messages I'm going to input error message and here we can give error message name. So this name, this label, this should be provided as a props. So here we are getting props, and here we should provide type. So create constant name label and type props. This is input. So inside form control, in this return I'm going to provide this input. Here we have. So here we are going to pass this props and create a constant control comma. All the remaining values should be passed to the rest variable props, and here rest. And in this same way I'm going to create multiple cases. I'm going to paste instead of text area and instead of text area I'm going to create select and next checkbox checkbox and radio and next we are going to provide date picker date, finally default return null. So format the documents. So for this text and text area we will have the uh, same input. For the select checkbox radio and date we will have different one. For now only I am going to comment this input. For this and all we have to create separate input. So next go to the index page, form container, comment those three values here and here you have to give form container, form control, form control, and first you have to provide type text control which is used to select the input text. So this control should match the this case condition text area select. We have to process properly under name. So I'm going to provide a name, same for label name, and here I'm going to change the name. In validation schema also I'm going to change this small to capital N. So this is how we select the input. Let's go to the front end and open the console. Here in the name I'm going to provide this one and the console. The name has been given here. So if we go to here and go to the input tag, here we didn't provide any styles. For those things I'm going to provide style div. So here I'm going to provide class name row. So row, this row should be present inside here only. So format the documents. Same way we have to create another row div class name row. So copy the label and paste inside this row. So another div tag and row div class name row, and field should be, and error message also should be in the same row itself. So this row, and here we can provide BR to break to the next line. So this will provide the basic styling. If we go to the front end, you can see the label has been present here and the input tag has been second line and other things are provided in the third line. So this is how. So I'm going to explain again one time. So first of all, we have to create a form container. So here we have to import the input tag. So to import this input tags, I have created the form control components. Here we have multiple inputs. For each input, we have a separate component. Initially, we have created only input component. For that, we have provided the text input and the control name has been text and the name and the label has been provided as a name. In next video, I will explain how we have to create a text area component. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe this YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.